Welcome to my channel. My name is Eli, and today's video we're going to be unboxing the Zelotes gaming mouse. This is RGB lights. So I already unboxed it because I just wanted to test it out like always. It does work. It has a nice matte finish. It's a very durable cable, and it's pretty lengthy. I say it's around 4 feet. Here's the instructions. You got an interactive disc and some pieces. So yeah, there's some buttons right there, and yeah, so the buttons right there. You have to scroll up and scroll down. You can do this one. You could also change the weights, so you just twist this. Hold on. Just twist that, and then you can do that. Then you could just take out these little weights right here. Hold on. Just take out these little weights, and you could put it however heavy you want the mouse to be. I'm just gonna keep it like this for now, because it's not that heavy. Anyways, let's go ahead and plug it in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alright, we're gonna actually turn off my flashlight real quick. There we go. So you can see it changed color. So it just cycles, which is really cool.